Welcome to the Kendo UI Mobile App Challenge. We're here at the jQuery conference in the lovely Austin, Texas. We're about to run an experiment. We're going to give these developers two identical phones with two seemingly identical applications and ask them to tell us which one of these apps was built with native technologies and which one is a hybrid app built with HTML5. Will the hybrid app be good enough to trick them into picking a native winner? Let's go find out. You know what I say when I use the word hybrid, you know exactly what that means.
That would be, you basically have an HTML5 app that compiles into a native application. And so whenever you run it, it feels like it could possibly be a native application, but hybrid apps are notorious for bad performance.
We have two devices. Each of them are running an app that's nearly identical except for the color. One of these apps is a native app, and the other app is an app built with HTML5 or just web technologies. Your job is to use your keen eye to see if you can tell me which one of these apps is native and which one is just a web page. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yes.
Shouldn't be a problem.
Sure. Here we go. All right, let's pick one and get started.
Nice fade in for the load.
Loading pretty fast.
Scrolling seems good.
Settings looks very similar.
The settings, pretty responsive.
Seems like a native app to me.
That is actually very smooth.
This feels pretty good. I'm pretty impressed.
Ready to check out the other one?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, app number 2, here we go.
Loading pretty fast.
Maybe a little faster boot up on this one.
What do you think? Ready to make your choice?
Yeah.
This is the native, that is the hybrid.
All right, I'm going to guess this is the app, and that is the web app.
I'm gonna guess that this one is the web technologies one.
Say the one over there is native, and the one I'm using right now is your web app.
This is the native one, and this is the HTML5.
Just overall, the load time was faster.
The lag on tapping this checkbox is slightly longer.
The only difference I notice is the loading screen.
This is just a lot smoother.
So you would expect a web app to be smoother than a native app?
If it's done right, yeah.
This is more likely of a loading pattern of a native application. This is like a progressive pattern of an HTML5 HTTP request happening.
You ready to find out which one is which?
Yes.
Your instincts are dead on, but I haven't been completely honest with you. The truth is, these are both hybrid applications.
Oh, okay.
They're both the same app, and they were both built with Kendo UI Mobile. So what do you think knowing that?
I'm actually really impressed. They feel really good.
What do you think?
I think that's pretty awesome.
It's hard to tell that they're not native. They look great.
Great job. It's really, really wonderful to see how you cannot tell the difference now between native and HTML5 applications.
I think that's the key is well-written applications feel good.
Awesome. I would totally agree.
I think that we're really moving forward with a hybrid network and hybrid devices and single-page apps. I think it's working out awesome.
It is a little faster. That's really what got me.
I haven't seen a lot of stuff on mobile devices that looks as clean as this.
I'm very impressed. It doesn't seem to have the same symptoms that other native hybrid applications have. I just loaded what seems to be about 300 items in here, and it still seems to be very responsive, which you don't find that in jQuery Mobile, you don't find that in Cinch a Touch. Both of those get really sluggish as you load more items.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your help. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Thank you very much for taking the mobile challenge.